Welcome to today's Bollywood news update. Let's hear the headlines first. Kareena Kapoor is waiting for 2021, shares a throwback picture to express her mood. It's expensive. Deepika Padukone's Louis Vuitton bag is almost as costly as a Maruti Alto. Sara Ali Khan's twinning moment with mom Amrita Singh and Karan Johar. Ranbir Kapoor celebrating Neetu Kapoor's birthday went viral. Dil Bechara, the film has great heart and memories of Sushant Singh Rajput, says ace composer A.R. Rahman. Adhan Suman says groupism in Bollywood bigger problem than nepotism, says 14 of his films were shelved due to wrongly projected box office figures. Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan's Coolie #1 gets a release date. Amitabh Bachchan's grandson Agastya Nanda gears up for his Bollywood debut. Alia Bhatt and Ranveer Singh to share the screen once again. Ranveer Singh and Katrina Kaif to pair up for the first time. And lastly, the first look of Pravash Pooja Hegde's starrer Radhe Shyam is All Things of Love. These were the headlines. Now let's jump into the details news now. Before that, we'll request you to like the video and share the video with your friends. With so much happening in the world at the moment, all one can hope for is the year to pass by quickly. Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor Khan also shares the same thought and has expressed this feeling in her last Instagram post. Bebo took to Instagram and shared a throwback picture of herself. In the candid picture, she can be seen sitting lost in her thoughts, sporting a white jacket, black t-shirt and a jeans. Kareena is looking absolutely stunning. Along with the picture, she wrote the most relatable caption, "Waiting for 2021." On the work front, Bebo recently completed 20 years in the industry. To mark the occasion, she shared the still of her first shot of her first film, Refugee. Kareena Kapoor Khan was last seen in the film Angrezi Medium. Before the lockdown, she was shooting for the film Lal Singh Chadda opposite of Aamir Khan. The actress will also start shooting for Karan Johar's directorial Taakat, which will go on floors once the situation is back to normal. Bollywood's top actresses have an immense love for luxury handbags, and Deepika Padukone is no different. Today, let us take a look at her Louis Vuitton shoulder cross body bag that comes at a staggering price. From the looks of it, the bag looks very simple, but when you check the price tag, you know it is meant only for the rich and the famous. Louis Vuitton bags are synonymous with luxury and on the wish list of every woman who loves handbags. The price of the bag is $3,900. Yes, you heard it correct. Simba and Kedarnath actress Sara Ali Khan recently shared a pic on her social media account in which she is twinning with mom and veteran actress Amrita Singh in a multicolored kurta. The anarkalis had colored blocked panels in shades of pink, yellow and orange, which were alternated with a blue palette. While Neetu Kapoor recently celebrated her 62nd birthday, and it was quite a memorable one. In the celebration pics, we see Ranbir Kapoor giving a huge hug to mom Neetu Kapoor. Filmmaker Karan Johar also attended the party along with Aadar Jain. Neetu Kapoor took to social media to share some of the pictures. We can see her granddaughter Samaira bonding with Ranbir Kapoor. Ace composer and two-time Oscar winner A.R. Rahman has opened up on creating the music of Sushant Singh Rajput's last film Dil Bechara, which also happens to be famed casting director Mukesh Chhavra's directorial debut. The actor's tragic and shocking demise just at the age of 34 has left a huge void among movie buffs, and his fans as well as film lovers in general are hoping to find some semblance of closure with his final film as they eagerly look forward to savor his last on-screen performance. Opening up to Midday in a recent interview about Sushant Singh Rajput and Dil Bechara's music, A. Rahman said, "There is no such formula to composing music. It depends on what appears in the heart. When I write songs, I let them breathe for some time and then present them to the director. It was a great experience collaborating with Mukesh on this film. His enthusiasm is infectious. The album is carefully cured because the film has so much heart and now memories of Sushant." Director Mukesh Chhabra also recently expressed his feeling about the film on Twitter, where he wrote, "Finally, after such a long time, 2 years of my life, so many friendships close to my heart, so many ups and downs, happy and sad moments, presenting to you our dream and the dream of my brother Sushant, who will live on in my heart till the last breath. The trailer of my debut film Dil Bechara. So much has changed in my life in these past years, and I will cherish always every single moment in my life." The demise of Sushant Singh Rajput has left fans saddened and shocked. People are upset about the alleged nepotism and camp system of Bollywood after some reports have come in the media about how he was apparently targeted by people. Shekhar Suman's son Adhyan Suman has said that more than nepotism, it is groupism that kills the aspirations of many actors. In an interview, he has stated that power dynamics in Bollywood and a distorted box office figures led to as many as 14 of his movies being shelved. Adhyan Suman told, "Power dynamics and groupism are there in the industry since years. It happened with me too. My 14 films were shelved and the box office collection of my films were projected wrongly. People haven't paid attention to this earlier. It's very unfortunate that we required a Sushant Singh Rajput to commit suicide for people to realize the thing." As the COVID-19 pandemic took over the world, life came to a complete halt. Staying at the home and following social distancing became the new normal in lives. While the restrictions have begun to ease up, the theatre has still gone away. Keeping that in mind, the government has not yet lifted the ban on the movie theatres. This has resulted in the release of several Bollywood films being put on the indefinite hold. This also includes Varun Dhawan and Sara Ali Khan starrer Coolie No. 1, which was scheduled to release on May 1. However, a report in a leading daily now suggests that the makers are eyeing in a New Year release in 2021. The report claims that the official announcement will soon be made. Talking about the film, a source close to the project revealed that Varun will be seen mimicking several Bollywood bigwigs in the film. He said Varun is a great mimic himself and his favorites are Mithunda, Akshay Kumar and Salman Khan. He has done takeoffs on them on public platforms. Of course, doing it in the big screen required multiple workshops and reading sessions. So what are your thoughts on Coolie No. 1 releasing at the start of the new year? Let us know in the comment box. We don't need to tell you about Amitabh Bachchan is a towering personality in Bollywood. That his supremacy over his talent and the box office remains unchallenged even after decades of ruling the film industry. Such actors come but once in a lifetime. And now it seems his grandson Agastyananda is ready to follow up the footsteps. The 19-year-old Agastya, who resembles his grandfather, has seen and shown a keen interest in taking up movies as a career. A report in a leading daily revealed that the young lad already has several offers on the table. He will look into it once he feels he's ready. Agastya enjoys a huge following on his social media, so it isn't surprising to see filmmakers who want to cash in on his popularity. Zoya Akhtar's Gully Boy will always be a special film for several reasons. One major factor was Ranveer Singh's and Alia Bhatt's magnificent performance in it. The two portrayed their respective characters so incredibly that they earned massive praise from the critics as well as the audience. While we are still not over the stunning acts as Murad and Safina, it seems the duo might have another collaboration in the pipeline. A report in a leading daily claims that Ranveer Singh is all set to do a cameo in Alia Bhatt's Gangubai Kathiawadi. The Padmavat actor shares a special bond with both Alia and the film's director Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So convincing Ranveer to do the part must not have been difficult. A source close to the project revealed it's a very powerful cameo and Ranveer cannot say no to Sanjay Leela Bhansali ever. On top of that, the film has Alia Bhatt in the lead. Alia and Ranveer have shared a special rapport from the time they worked together in Gully Boy. We all know Zoya Akhtar's capability as a director. She has showcased her versatility with his films like Luck by Chance, Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, Dil Dhadakne Do, and Gully Boy. Not just that, she has proved herself at the box office too. Her last film Gully Boy, starring Ranveer Kapoor, Ranveer Singh, and Alia Bhatt, created history at the Filmfare Awards by winning 13. Now it seems Zoya and Ranveer may join hands for yet another interesting project, a gangster drama. Also, rumor has it that Katrina Kaif might be the part of the exciting project. A source close to the film told a leading daily, Zoya has got the rights of Martin Scorsese's gritty thriller The Departed. The film Zoya is planning will be on the same lines and will explore the gritty world of the underbelly that runs in the country. Although it will be a completely new space for the filmmaker, she is pretty confident about it after pulling off Gully Boy. Today, the social media is all about Prabhas. The internet is buzzing about the South superstar as he has two good reasons to celebrate. While his one film Bahubali The Beginning completes 5 years at the box office, the makers of his next film have unveiled the first look of the film, and netizens are going crazy about it. Prabhas' next film, which was tentatively titled Prabhas 20, has recently finally revealed its first look and title today as promised. The actor has shared the poster where we see him with his leading lady Pooja Hegde in a romantic pose. The film is titled Radhesham and it promises to be all things romantic. Seeing the poster, we can safely assume that Radhesham will have a larger life than canvas and visuals. This is the first time Pooja Hegde will be seen with the actor. Prabhas captioned the picture saying, "This is for you, my fans. Hope you like it. We like it for sure."